the Chinese using the Galwan riverbed to construct a road that they settled on the riverbed, and thus the course of the river that was also disturbed. Now we are looking at almost over a week after the violent clashes took place, and those satellite images recorded on the 18th of June. It's a proof that Indian soldiers had pushed back PLA soldiers successfully as the river course is now flowing back to normal. But there are some political parties, I know you wouldn't want to comment on those political parties, but they seem to be suggesting that the Indian forces are just sitting down, watching everything and not acting, saying that the arsenal that Indian soldiers have is not for hatching eggs. This is the time to hit back, right back at Chinese soldiers.
Well, to start with, you must congratulate them for thinking on the right direction. What they could not do for the last 40, 50 years, now they are saying we should hit them back. Very nice. We agree with them, and that's what we should do. Now, the time for, two political parties talking against each other is over. Let's not waste our energies on that. We must concentrate on what we should do. The satellite pictures had come late. Had they come 1 month earlier, the things would have taken place. What the Israeli officer told me categorically, that we would have gone on aerial attack on the first hour. We don't waste time on negotiations when the enemy is sitting on your chest. This is what we should have done. And if we at all we feel, even if they are on the other side of the river and they are posing threat, we should eliminate them. Where is the problem? Question is, we should not be shy, or we should not want a war. But if the war is thrust on you, then we should not be shy of preempting them. That is what I am trying to tell you. That is the arsenal we have got. What that Congress personality has said, I will endorse it and say the same thing, that we should straight away go ahead and strike the enemy. Let us not wait for further negotiations, etc. We are only going to waste our time and lose initiative. Don't lose initiative, because if China takes initiative, you will be on the back foot. And there is no problem. China is scared that our air power is very strong and in a right position. That is what is troubling China, and we should take advantage of it. However, if at all we feel that China will not attack us and we are convinced, that's another game. But we are not convinced. Heart of heart, we know China is opening front one after the other. They are even now asking us to vacate Dawlat Beg Oldi. They are only amassing all around Mansarovar. They are doing whatever they can do, they are doing it. So why are we hesitating? Forget what Congress says or it doesn't say, or BJP says doesn't say. At the moment, we have to think what is in interest of the nation, and that is what I'm trying to tell you. Don't lose initiative. Use your Air Force and attack helicopters where you will gain the ground. Real estate in your favor will bring you on a stronger position for negotiations later on. We must now strike the iron is hot.
All right. We also have Saurabh Shukla joining us.